You had a very cordial relationship with Shashi Tharoor. Now that you both
Cordial, he
are,
was my student.
so now that you're a
in which
student,
college?
St. Stephen's College. He has a different kind of politics. I have a different kind of politics.
what equation do you guys share now?
No, he's a friend. I mean, I was a young lecturer. I cleared MA in 1973. So, and I had joined the private sector. I chucked it up because I wanted to take the IAS exam. So, in 1973, I got a teaching job in St. Stephen's College, and I had a very impressive group of students. Mr. Shashi Tharoor, Chandan Mitra, whom you might remember, Shopan
Editor of
Dasgupta,
Pioneer, Times
this
of
then
India,
Thaks,
Paranjoy
Prananjay Thakurta.
Thakurta.
Now, I don't call them my students because they've all become King Kong. So I don't want anybody to say. So I tell them, I had the privilege of being on the teaching faculty when they were students. So I'm not claiming to be their, teacher. Because
Also, this was
how
an
can
act
I be,
of
how can I be held responsible for what Shashi Tharoor says? I mean, if as a teacher, I must have gone wrong to some of the things he says or does. Does also, I'm including that also.
But
But
does your students still come up to you for advices?
Oh, yeah, of course they do. Of course they do. Especially when they make silly statements. When they make silly statements, they all come to me. And now, not nicely, sir.
To say
can you
what?
come and drop? No,
Hunki kara.
नहीं हुनकी करा नहीं. पहले तो जोश में आके कर दिया और किसी ने पकड़ लिया कि उसने 2009 में उसने सोरोस को मिलने के बाद ट्वीट की. ठीक है? He did it in 2009. We are in 2024 end at that point of time. Now he's tweeted, somebody's caught it. अब वो सोरोस का सारा चक्कर लगा कल वो.
You invited him for lunch or dinner?
No, I'm coming to that. Balak Buddhi turned around and said कि, I am against the Indian state. So Indian state के खिलाफ तो headmaster उस group का सोरोस है. तो किसी ने जब पकड़ लिया, फिर किसी ने ये कह दिया ये क्या राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को भी सोरोस अंकल पैसे देते थे. तो तब शशि थरूर के पीछे पड़ गए. Now he should have admitted it as like a man कि हाँ I know him, I met him. कहते no, apart from 2009, the only time I met him was at Ambassador Puri's place. मैंने कहा आजा. फिर ऐसे आजा. I'm one guy, if I make a statement today, I will have the record. Luckily, my visitor's book in my residence in the Trump Tower, I had a copy of it. So I opened it out on a particular date. Mr. Shashi Tharoor and his then escort and one of my officers, they came for breakfast. That morning they had arrived from India. Okay. They came, I gave them breakfast. Next evening, my register shows I'm hosting a dinner, all foreign ambassadors. And on the second page, by the way, this is in the tweet. Please look at my tweet. Yes. Second page is a signature, George Soros. So I then tweeted saying, hey, wait a minute. You were then the Minister of State for External Affairs. You came to New York. Your office, when they contacted me, I said, yes, I'd like to host a private discussion. Said, we are arriving at 6. We'll come at 8 o'clock for breakfast to Trump Tower. They came. Next day, you gave me a guest list of people to invite. And I invited those people. Soros was included in there. Okay. Then he sends me a private message. No, first he sends me first he makes the statement, then I sent him a telephone call. He doesn't see my telephone for 2 days. He must have been sheepish about it. Then I tweeted that also. When he said this, I just wanted to remind him, my dear friend, you asked me to invite Soros. Otherwise, Soros को उस लिस्ट में बाम नहीं बनता. कोई अमेरिकन एम्बेसडर है, कोई ब्राजीलियन एम्बेसडर है, कोई फ्रेंच एम्बेसडर. सोरोस क्या करेगा वहां पे जाकर? ठीक है? His toolkit doesn't apply to those countries. But you wanted him invited, I called him. Then he sent me a private message. He said, Chief, let's leave it at that. It was neither your fault or not. Sheepish message trying to apologize. I've done a very friendly tweet. Friendly tweet he didn't do. He didn't undermine this thing, so didn't say it. So listen, I'm very clear. If you play games with me, let's have it out right in the open. Okay, after that he's kept quiet. Ab nahi bolega.